All right, I have lots of questions on these really old fluffy pink slippers. They are wool and it's from Simon's. Look at how dirty and old this is. Simon's is a Canadian department store, clothing department store. And let's see the inside. Okay, so it's really, really worn. You can see the bottom of it. It is real wool. I have this for maybe 3 years plus, and I just don't want to say goodbye to them. They have been surfacing my feet well in cold Canadian winter. And I have some people asking for this. I'm just not ready to say goodbye. But here you go. That's the inside. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more shoes. Bye bye.